Yeah, it's your boy, man. Check me out. Shout out 2 Chainz, man. I feel pretty good right now. It's like 11:55 a.m. on Saturday, day after Black Friday. I ain't about to freestyle. I wrote some shit. Check me out, though. Let me turn shit up. Hey, yeah, come on. Fresh out the barbershop. Yeah, talking about shout out to my cousin Courtney, you know what I'm saying? Uh, y'all ready? Y'all ain't ready for the shit. Check me. Let go. Come on. I'm different cause I don't sell drugs. And I never made it rain in the booty club. I to tell the truth, son, that y'all ought to do. I'm a leader while y'all follow Mr. Me Too. Ever since Biggie and Pac left the game, I swear the shit just ain't been the same. Ever since Biggie and Pac left the game, I swear the shit just ain't been the same. You gotta sell your soul nowadays to make a buck. Or pretend to be something you know to make shit up. I'm tired of hearing bullshit on the radio. And since I keep it real, they probably won't play this dope. All I hear is dope boy that, dope boy this. Everybody rapping about flipping bricks. I'm just a country boy from the 912. Move to the A to try to get a deal or two. And if I gotta go to every hood and battle niggas, and that's what I'ma do until I rattle niggas. That's about me, bad rapper with glasses alive. And now I have your bitch kissing up for my eye. What you trying to be funny? Nah, nigga, I'm just trying to make money. I got skill to pay the bill, but I can't pay shit till I get a damn deal. Till I get a damn deal. Can't pay shit till I get a damn deal. Yeah, on the real how I feel. I can't pay shit till I get a damn deal. What you trying to be funny? Nah, nigga, I'm just trying to make money. I got skill to pay the bill. I can't pay shit till I get a damn deal. Come on, check me. Sometimes my flow be funny. I can make it laugh, but I'd rather make money. Just a little bit. I don't wanna be rich enough to pay my bills off and be financially fit. Come on. But you gotta be humble at the same time. Get that money, lose your mind, gotta strike it down. Start letting all they rappers fool y'all. Professor here to teach the game, so let me school y'all. These so-called stars flexing hard in they bar. If faking was a crime, y'all get to your charge. Niggas get shot at instead of shoot back, crash their car. Nigga wearing skinny jeans, riding on skateboards, and y'all dissing you niggas, and y'all wishing you niggas will make a fucking move. Then I start dismissing you niggas like class. Y'all really garbage like trash. Can be blowing on my gas, put no pad. Gotta hold it here. I told me you gotta hold that shit. I told me you can't just. Yeah, what you trying to be funny? Nah, nigga, I'm just trying to make money. I got skill to pay the bill. I can't pay shit till I get a damn deal. Come on, till I get a damn deal. Can't pay shit till I get a damn deal. Got me in a bit jigging on y'all. Hey, this your boy, man. I do this shit, man. Shout out 2 Chainz, everybody out, man. All the real rappers, fuck all the fake rappers. I do this shit, y'all nigga acting. Fuck around. Yeah, I think that's it. But this your boy, man. Professor Hotel, stay fresher than the rest. Keep matters on my dresser. AKA Mr. Hygiene, cause I stay clean. AKA Bad Rapper with glass alive. Now, hey, girl, kissing out for my eye. Now, I'm talking about Chia 912, nigga.